11 years ago.
This is a tour of my fridge. These are my condiments. This is my favorite mustard from Trader Joe's. Lots of hot sauces, salad dressings. My daughter's favorite cheese. We call it snow cheese. Various wines. There's a beer I didn't finish, so you have to dump that out. My daughter's favorite salad. Cilantro. Parsley. Orange juice for my taco mixture I'm making. Hamburger. Strawberries. Pico de gallo. Fruit. Sandwich I had last night that I didn't finish. More cheese. Some Hawaiian sweet bread. Lots of cheeses and salami. I mean salmon. Some brioche hot hamburger rolls. Everything bagel. White bread. Vegetables. Beer that I haven't drank.